Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to clear your TikTok search history in 2025. This will remove all the search terms that you have typed in and give you a fresh start with your recommendations. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your TikTok application on your phone. Then you need to make sure that you are signed in into your account. Now, once this step is done, if you come here on the home page of TikTok, you are going to see all of the TikToks here in this list. So you can use this search bar here in the top right hand corner of the screen. This is where you have searched previously. So in order to remove all of your searches, you just have to tap on the cross icon right next to the search which you want to remove. So as you can see, when I tapped on this cross icon, that search was removed. Now if you have searched for a lot of terms here, you are going to see the option of clear all. So tap on the option of clear all and tap on the option of clear again. So this particular step is going to remove all of your search history in a very easy manner. Now if you don't see the clear option over here, you need to enable this first. For that, tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines here in the top right hand corner and go to your settings and privacy. Over here in your settings and privacy, tap on the option of activity center. Inside your activity center, you will have the search history option. So simply tap on it. Now you are going to see all of your search history and your search data here. So you need to again tap on the option of clear all search history and then tap on the option of confirm. Now if you don't want TikTok saving your searches in the future, there is an option too. For that, inside your settings, you just have to simply go to the privacy option. In your privacy, you will have the personalization and the data section. So you can select that option and you can simply just clear your search history and never allow TikTok to access your history and your searches. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.